edge of Canada, a French secret awaits.
Well, first of all, it's home, and I have never had any idea to leave. The French, we have different culture. We have the influence of Canada, and we still have influence from France, but we have a kind of special way of life. This is small, 200 square kilometers, but we have quite a diversity of landscape. I have been in every square kilometer of Saint Pierre Miquelon. As a naturalist, bird watching, botany, and so on, I had the curiosity to go everywhere. We always think about the weather. There's a saying here which says if you prepare to do something, it's always if weather permits. Si le temps le permet, as we say in French, because, you never know. This is why we have comfortable houses, because we spend more time inside than outside.